Ka tnat pulit jong ka jela Meghalaya ha kini kendiat sngi ban sawan kan sa Pynbna ka jing thep kam pulit ha ka jela kani ka jing thep kam pulit kan dei na ka benta lai hajar shispa tali ki pos ki balaj ha ki kerdan baper na kliang u IG uba Francis Karshing ha bakren halor kani ka jing Pynbna thep kam thamai ulaong ba ka tnat kan sa Pynbna ya kembal lai hajar shispa tali ki kam ki balaj ha ki kerdan ki baper ha ka ba ki UB sub inspector kindon nyopun riu tali ki UB constable 6000 arspa sanpsan kapakan tublang ru ya kindong nya kali ki mechanic bat ki wei ha ka AB constable kalong ba 6000 ruspa lai punyo kapakan tub nadu ki AB constable ki MPRO bat ki wei ulaya toro bahkan pensuk iki samlawat kam ke sorgar kalabu ya santli ki center kata hamauyong ha second MLP go ragre kaban pek ye kebenta jong ka West Garo Hills ka sab sen kaban pek ye kebenta jong ka Janja Hills ka Sopian kaban pek ye kebenta jong ka West Khas Hills bat ka William Nagar kaban pek ye kebenta jong ka East bat ka South Garo Hills na kliang u DGP u Dr Bishnoy habakran halor kane ka tunggam tungjam ulai thu bakane ka dei ka sim ka bandengkong baka jela kanyo pan pelaj bentep kam hadu lai hajar shispa ngot ulai turu babarok ki test kin sale harkat ke jingbu ya ki CCTV nang takin buru yau chips ha ki breu ki bayakon ya kene ka kam bat ha ka bakut jong kasngi hamat lau candidate ubawan benikon ya kini ki kam ki balaj kin saai da ka marksheet bat kin tip katno ki yo bat kin laru ban khen la ki long ni am ki babet ha kane ka kam.
It's been a very long time we have prepared. We worked hard for this, and finally, I think it should culminate in a day or two. That we should be advertising for around 3,100 posts, police posts. The breakup is for sub-inspectors, UB sub-inspectors is 76. For UB constable, it is 1,255 posts, which includes UB constables, firemen, driver, fireman, mechanics, MPRO, and signal operators for the battalion. And there are also another group, which is the AB constable group. This is around vacancies. We have around 1,637. This will include AB constables, battalion constables, MPRO, general duty constables, constable handyman, and driver constables. So the total posts is in around 3,100 posts. This time we are with the guidance of the government, and the government wants to reach out to the people in a better manner. So we will be having our recruitment in 5 different centers of the state. One is the 1st Battalion in Mauyang, which will cater to this part of the region. Then we have another one in 2nd MLP in Gorakhpur, which will cater to the western Garo Hills. And then we have another center, the 3rd Battalion, which is Sapsen, which will cater to the people of Janja Hills. And we have another center in the 4th Battalion in Sopian, which will cater to the people of the West Khas Hills. And finally, we have another center at the 5th Battalion in William Nagar, which will cater to both East and South Hills.
How will you ensure transparency in the recruitment?
We have, as in the near future, we've incorporated highly transparent measures, and we've engaged. Will be purely on a electronic, on technical evaluation. So it will be very difficult to manipulate. It will be almost impossible to manipulate.
Any time frame like when this thing about vacant posts will be put?
The advertisement should come out within 1 or 2 days, and the online application will start on the 1st of April.
Where all the tests will be conducted and the CCTV will be installed in the grounds and the chips will be installed to the candidates, and immediately timing will be shown in the computers, and at the end of the day, every candidate appeared in the recruitment will be given mark sheet, and they will know immediately how much is their score, and depending on that, they can calculate that whether I will qualify or not. So this is the one mechanism, and the private firm will install all the electronic gadgets in the recruitment ground. Absolutely, there will be transparency, and absolutely there is no scope of any manipulation in this procedure. So this we call it TRP, Transparent Recruitment Procedure. So this TRP, and if you are willing, we can invite you during the recruitment also, and you can see with your own eyes how the recruitment is going on, where everything is transparent. So we will ensure 100% transparency, and the candidates will be selected only and only on the basis of the merit. And this, the applications app will be open from the 1st April. Their application receipt will start. And once all the candidates will apply, after that, their centers and admit card and will be issued subsequently. So maybe after election, the recruitment process will be in full swing, and you are welcome to visit the recruitment centers and see how the procedure is going on. So this is regarding the recruitment, and this the largest recruitment in the history of the Meghalaya police. Nowhere earlier 3,100 people were taken at one go in recruitment. So Meghalaya police will be further strengthened by more than 3,000 people.
Can you
How-
tell us about the election preparedness by the police?
Prepare, and the one meeting already taken by the CEO, and today the Election Commission of India, the team, they have reviewed the Assam and Meghalaya arrangement. Assam, they are physically present. In Meghalaya, they reviewed it through the video conferencing. That is why when all the officers were here, they attended meetings. And whatever Election Commission's guidelines will be there, that will be fully implemented. And we will not allow anybody to create problems in any areas, in any constituencies. So it will be a free, fair and peaceful election.
Sir, for election,
Police will be getting the last time what the quantum of force was there, the same quantum will be deployed, and if need arises, we can ask more force, and some force, I think probably 12 company will be going to other states from the Meghalaya police also. We will be sending to other states so that election will be held in phases. So force deployment will not be a problem.
So how many are these sensitive and hypersensitive
So
areas?
that data is there. Today they have discussed all the SPs, and the vulnerability, the criticals, and the classification is almost completed. And once the CEO office and approved it, then data I will release it to the press.